Biscuits banned from different countries. Cadbury, United Kingdom. Suncracker, Sri Lanka. Hansel, Philippines. Pilota, Hungary. Cremica, India. Arnotos, Australia. Maizena, Brazil. Diligje, Poland. Molino Bianco, Italy. Lexus, Malaysia. Oreo, United States. Parle-G, India. Yarach Crackers, Ukraine. Horlicks, India. Potato, Bangladesh. Brago, Sweden. Super, Pakistan. Prince, Belgium. Brago, Belgium. Dima, Saudi Arabia. Pallets, Betons, France. Polo, Ireland. Binge, South Korea. Korobka, Russia. Kandi, Pakistan. Wove Rodine, Czech Republic. Marinella, Mexico. Jami Dotgars, United Kingdom. Sunfest, India. Ju Biscuit, South Africa. Toke, Belgium. Kedem, Israel. McVitie's, United Kingdom. Good Day, India. Tim Tam, Australia. Digestive Biscuit, Scotland. Peppo, Morocco. Cap, Pakistan. Squiggles, New Zealand. Camble, Switzerland. Torkutam, Turkey. Leibniz, Germany. Cosimari, Vietnam. Nabisco, United States. Biscuit, Indonesia. Belvita, France. Peanut Biscuit, Romania. Misura, Italy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Unique Data World.